Hello students, in this video I am discussing with you a new topic, that is exact differential equation of the first order and first degree. Any ordinary differential equation of first order and first degree is in the form of either dy dx equals to f of xy, or in more symmetrical form m of xy dx plus n of xy dy equals to 0, or simply m dx plus n dy, where m and n are both real valued functions of x and y. Now if the function m dx plus n dy equals to 0 is exact, then there exists a function u of xy such that du equals to m dx plus n dy, and the general solution or the primitive of the equation is u of x comma y equals to c, where c is any arbitrary constant. See the following examples. Number 1, given 3x cube y square dy plus 3x square y cube dx equals to 0. This equation is of the form m dx plus n dy, where m equals to this 3x square y cube and n equals to 3x cube y square. Now since 3x cube y square dy plus 3x square y cube dx can be written as d of x cube y cube, you can check it as the differential of x cube y cube can be written as differential of x cube and take y cube as constant, means 3x square y cube dx. So 3x square y cube dx, then take x cube as constant and differentiate y cube. So we get 3x cube y square dy, 3x cube y square dy. Since 3x cube y square dy plus 3x square y cube dx equals to d of x cube y cube, so there exists a function u of x comma y such that du equals to m dx plus n dy. Hence it is the exact differential equation, and the primitive of the equation is u of x comma y equals to c. Here u is x cube y cube equals to c. So this is the general solution of the differential equation. Let us consider another example. Number 2, y dx plus x dy equals to 0. Again this is of the form m dx plus n dy equals to 0. Here m equals to y and n equals to x. Now since y dx plus x dy equals to d of xy, again how d of xy means first differentiate x and take y as constant, then we get y dx, and same take x as constant and differentiate y, then we get x dy. Now since y dx plus x dy equals to d of xy, so there exists a function u of xy such that du equals to m dx plus n dy. Hence the given equation is exact, and the primitive of the given equation is u of xy equals to c. Here u is xy, so xy equals to c. So this is the general solution or primitive of the differential equation. Again there is another condition that m dx plus n dy equals to 0 be exact is del m del y equals to del n del x. Any first order first degree differential equation satisfies this condition, then the given equation will be exact differential equation. This condition is called condition of exactness or condition of integrability of the equation m dx plus n dy equals to 0. Now we consider the same example number 1, and check the condition of exactness. Given 3x cube y square dy plus 3x square y cube dx equals to 0. Here this is n, this is our m. Since m dx plus n dy, so this is our m and this is our n. Now we check the condition. Del m del y equals to, first differentiate this with respect to x, with respect to y. So we get 9x square y square and then del n del x. Differentiate this with respect to x. We get 9x square y square. So both are same. That is the condition of exactness is satisfied. Hence the equation is exact. Now how to compute the primitive of the of this type of problem? The formula is integration m dx, taking y to be constant, plus integration n dy, terms of n not containing x equals to c. Now we can directly put the values of m and n and we get the required solution. So here m equals to 3x square y cube dx plus integration n dy, terms of n not containing x. But here the see the n contains x, so we put 0 dy equals to c, implies. Now since y is constant, so 3y cube integration over dx means integration over x square dx means x is cube by 3 plus this is 0 equals to c, implies x is cube y cube equals to c. So this is the primitive of the differential equation. So the primitive is x cube y cube equals to c. You can use any of these two methods discussed here. Okay. Next I am taking some problems. Number 1, to solve y plus x dx plus x dy equals to 0. Here m equals to y plus x and n equals to x. Let us check the condition. Del m del y equals to 1. Del n del x equals to 1. So the condition is satisfied, hence the equation is exact equation. Now the primitive is integration m dx. M dx means y plus x dx. We have to take y as constant plus integration over n dy, but terms of n not containing x. This n contains x, so again 0 dy equals to c, implies y is constant, so yx plus x integration over x means x square by 2 equals to c, implies x square plus 2xy equals to 2c is the given solution of the required equation. Okay, moving to the differential equation number 2, y square e to the power xy square plus 4x cube dx plus 2xy e to the power xy square minus 3y square dy equals to 0. Here m equals to obviously y cube y square e to the power xy square plus 4x cube and n equals to this 2xy e to the power xy square minus 3y square. Now we can check the condition. So del m by del y equals to 2y e to the power xy square plus y square into x into 2y e to the power xy square. This can be written as 2y e to the power xy square plus 2xy cube e to the power xy square. Now del n del x equals to 2y e to the power xy square plus 2xy into y square e to the power xy square. This can be written as 2y e to the power xy square plus 2xy cube e to the power xy square. Hence, del m del y equals to del n del x. That is, the condition of exactness is satisfied. So, the equation is exact. So, the general solution will be integration m dx. M means y square e to the power xy square plus 4x cube dx plus integration over n dy, terms of n not containing x. First term contains x, but the second term does not contains y as x. So we write dy equals to c, implies integration. Now we have to take y as constant, so we get y square e to the power xy square by y square plus 4x to the power 4 by 4 minus 3y cube by 3 equals to c. So we get e to the power xy square plus x to the power 4 minus y cube equals to c. So this is the general solution of the required differential equation. So in today's class we are discussing how to solve the exact equation. In next video I will discuss about the equation which are not exact. So that's it. Thank you.